Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine. Good. I am Raksha ma'am, and today I am going to teach you two new topics in general awareness. So, our first topic is my house. Tell me, children, where do you live? In your house, right? We all need house to stay safe. Why house is important for us? Because it keeps us safe. It protects us from
Heat, cold, rain, animals, and insects.
Now I will show you some basic parts of house. Hey children, what is this? This is a house. This is a roof, the top of the house. This is a wall. A house is made of a wall. This is a door. This is a window. This is a path. This is a fence. This is a garage. We park our car in the garage. This is a flat roof. This is a slant roof. My house. Let's revise again. My house. Roof. Wall. Window. Door. Lawn. Fence. Tree. Garage. Car. My house. Children, you know there are different kinds of houses. Let's see.
A bungalow, an apartment, a cottage, a duplex, a hut.
Our next topic is my family. Do you know, children, what is family? Okay, tell me, do you live alone in your house? No, you live with your father, mother, brother, and sister. Am I right? All the people like father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, and grandmother stay together in one house is called family. Two people together make a family. All the members are called family members. There are different types of families. I will show you. This is a small family. A small family has father, mother, and one or two children. Father and mother are also called parents. They both are brother and sister. They all stay in one house. This is a small family. This is a big family. A big family has grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, and two and three children. They all stay in one house. Big family. Now I will explain you about joint family. Joint family has grandfather, grandmother, father, mother and their child, uncle, aunt and their children. They all stay in one house. This is joint family. Children, we learnt about my house and my family. Now I will give you worksheet related to it. This is our matching worksheet. You can see here different parts of house. This is picture of a house. Now tell me, what is this? This is a roof. Find where is a roof? Here. We will match it. This is a door. Find where is a door? Here. We will match it. This is a window. We will match with a window. This is a fence. Find where is fence and match it. Match the family members to the objects that they would use. Here you can see family members like grandfather with a walking stick, grandmother with a woolen ball, mother with a purse, father with a newspaper, brother with a car, sister with a doll. And here we have different objects like a purse, a car, a doll, a walking stick, a newspaper, a woolen ball. Look at here. Grandfather with a walking stick. Now find where is the walking stick? Here. So we will match it. Grandmother with a woolen ball. Now find where is the woolen ball? Here. So we will match it. Mother with a purse. Find where is the purse? Here. So we will match it. Father with a newspaper. Find where is the newspaper? Here. So we will match it. Brother with a car. Find where is the car? And we will match it. Sister with a doll. Find where is the doll? And we will match it. Bye bye. Have a nice day.